guys, welcome back to my channel. It's currently 11:58 a.m. I just got ready for the day. It's a Saturday, so it's gonna be a fun day, but I also want it to be productive. I'm trying to work on getting my schoolwork done earlier in the weekend rather than doing it like late on Sunday. So right now, I actually had a nail in my tire, so I had to go take my car in, but it's ready now, so Braden's gonna come pick me up. I'm gonna get my car and then we're gonna go to a coffee shop that's nearby and just do some work because we both have some stuff to do. So we are gonna get a coffee. I'm probably gonna get a croissant. That sounds really good, or maybe like some sort of like bread pastry, I don't know. So right now I'm just gonna pack a bag and we're gonna head to the coffee shop. I haven't put perfume on yet and I thought I would show you guys what I've been using because I'm obsessed with it. I use the Replica by the Fireplace perfume. The description is burning wood and chestnut. It's just a very like warm, comforting scent and I'm obsessed with it. This is not sponsored at all, but this is just such a good perfume. My friend actually got it for her boyfriend, so anyone can wear it. I wouldn't even say it's like necessarily masculine or feminine. It's just a good, warm, comforting scent. That's gonna be my fall and winter perfume. And my spring and summer perfume was the Replica Beach Walk perfume. And this stuff is just so good. I've been liking dedicating perfumes to seasons because then I can like smell the perfume in the future and be reminded of that. Like there's one perfume that I have that reminds me so much of when I lived in like the dorms. There's one that I have that reminds me of when I lived in LA. Like it's just really nice to look back on. Okay, I believe Braden is on his way to pick me up, so I'm gonna fill up my water and then head out. Okay, we got my car back. Braden is parking right behind me. I don't know if you can see, but we are gonna head into the coffee shop. We're going to Pete's. I'm really excited. I got super hungry really quickly. Okay, I really hope it's recording right now and I hope it looks good because I'm using the back camera so I can't see my screen. Just putting on some lip balm before I drive home because my lips feel crusty. The coffee was really good. It was very sweet. Do you guys ever get like nauseous when a drink is too sweet? Because I kind of do. I got the spiced maple cold brew oat latte, something like that, and it was really good, but it was very sweet. So, okay, Braden's leaving right now. I'm gonna follow him out. Okay guys, I'm back home. Since it's a Saturday, I think Braden and I might go get lunch. I'm not sure exactly where yet. I'm craving this place called Freebirds. It's like Chipotle, but 10 times better. I'm obsessed with it and I've been getting it a bunch recently, so might need to get that. But I got a good amount of stuff done at the coffee shop. Also, if I sound nasally and gross, it's because I just got over a cold. I'm actually gonna post a TikTok about that, about like the remedies that I tried to get rid of it because they worked very quickly too. Anyways, I need to edit that TikTok along with some other ones that I've been meaning to edit. I have been really wanting to be more active on TikTok. There's so many videos that I've made and that I've been so excited about but haven't posted because I get embarrassed, which like is so ironic because I'm filming myself right now and talking to you guys. Something about YouTube feels like much more of a safe space for me. TikTok feels way more intimidating for some reason and way more vulnerable, even though like this is more vulnerable. You guys know so much about me on here and on TikTok, like you really just don't. So I don't know what my logic is honestly, but I really want to be more active on TikTok because I think it is so fun. I've been loving this certain style of videos that people make, like when they're filming with the 0.5 camera a lot. There's like a lot of quick cuts, really satisfying edits, like Emily Kaiser, Hallie Sandberg, Avery Kroll, Reagan Corsi. I'm trying to think of who else. I feel like there's people that randomly will pop up on my TikTok and I'm like, I want to watch your video right now because they make very satisfying aesthetic content. And I really like making those videos, but I haven't posted any of the ones that I've made. I'm trying to post more on YouTube Shorts too. So anyways, that was a whole rant. I'm gonna try to step out of my comfort zone and actually post the TikToks that I am like nervous to post. Yeah, I have probably like 3 or 4 that I need to edit. So we're gonna do that until it is time to leave and go to lunch. I am getting really hungry, so I need to ask Braden if he knows what he wants to get. So yeah, I'm gonna edit right now. Hello everyone. It's a little bit later. The burrito was so good. I just filmed a TikTok actually for my internship, which I haven't told you guys about yet. It's not the same one as last year. If you know what her campus is, I am a PR intern for the one at UCSB. We just make a bunch of like relatable college content. And so I do TikToks for that. So I was filming one right now, and then we like submit pictures for the Instagram too. And the Instagram feed is so cute. But we have some packages to open. Please ignore the massive pile of clothes on my bed. I actually have time this weekend to clean, which I haven't in a while. I feel like it's just been so go, go, go recently. School has been really busy. So yeah, it feels really good to have most of my schoolwork done. I do have a quiz that I'm gonna do after this, but that should be super fast. And then after that, I have no more homework for the weekend. So all of tonight and tomorrow, nothing I have to do for school, which is literally so nice. I haven't had that in so long because I just procrastinate. And I am currently filming a bit of a room makeover video, which you guys are kind of getting a sneak peek for right now. So you guys will see that soon. But tomorrow I'm hoping to make some more progress with that. But the first package that I got is this stain remover. I've seen this all over TikTok, and I finally bought it because I feel like I've been spilling so much stuff recently and have had a need for this. So we're gonna see how well this stuff works. Looks like this is from CosRx. I've actually never tried their stuff before. We have this Snail Mucin Power Essence 6 Peptide Skin Booster, Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream, and then this low pH niacinamide micellar cleansing water. This looks really good. Thank you so much, CosRx. And then last but not least, I bought this one. This is from Glossier. I got 3 of their candles. This is also for, wow, this box smells so good. This is also for the room makeover video. We have the red Glossier U candle, the birthday cake Glossier candle. This one is gorgeous. It's like chrome. And then we have their sandstone candle. This one is like a sage green. It's so pretty. I've smelled all of them in the store. And then I got a pair of socks because I had to spend a few more dollars to get a deal. These were $5. I think they're really cute. I can always use some more long socks like this. And that is it for the haul. I was really treating myself with these. I kind of decided to go all out for the room makeover video because I was like, you know what? I want to love my room. I haven't the entire time I've lived here. It's not like I ever disliked it. It's just I wanted to be like obsessed with it. I wanted to be so happy when I walked in here. I wanted it to feel like me, and it just didn't. And I feel like I was just so lazy about that for a while with like redecorating. Anyways, thank you to CosRx for sending me these. That was my little haul. Now I'm gonna go take my quiz, and I'm so excited because that means I'm gonna be done with school for the weekend. So let's go get that over with. Okay, I just finished my quiz. That's it. My schoolwork is done for the weekend. Also, I put on a sweatshirt because with that sweater, since it's off the shoulder, it is kind of really uncomfortable to wear because it usually like slides up and looks really weird if it's not like sitting in the spot it's supposed to. And it's just uncomfortable because you can't really move your arms that much. So every time I wear that sweater, like halfway through the day, I have to change. I love it though. It is so cute. Anyways, this one is so comfy. This is a sweatshirt from Aritzia. Anyways, now I actually have time to clean up my apartment. I'm thinking I'm going to start cleaning up the mess in here. I have a bunch of stuff sitting on the counter. Honestly, just stuff everywhere in my apartment. School has just been too busy for me to like take a solid chunk of time and like clean it up. So right now, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Brayden is gonna come over in a little bit. We were not planning to spend the whole day together. It just kind of worked out like that because we both had work to do this morning. I needed a ride to get my car, and then we were both hungry for lunch. So just decided to get it together. But what we were actually planning to do today is try the Espresso Martini from Trader Joe's. I don't know if you guys have seen that. It's like a bottle. I'll show you guys later. It's only $10. And so we want to try that, maybe like watch a movie or something. I'm not really sure. So I'm really excited about that. I hope those are good. But yeah, that's the plan for the rest of the night. Let's get started on cleaning. Okay guys, I got a ton of stuff done. My room is looking so much better. I was just putting away like a bunch of little things, but let me just sit down. I have realized that I have just stuff that I do not need. I have a couple bags in the corner you can't quite see right now of stuff that I'm gonna be donating, but I still need to go through so much more stuff. I have just been holding on to things that I ultimately just need to get rid of. So we're doing that, but also I have a lot of PR. And while I love and appreciate brands for sending me these things, there are a lot of things that I can't use. I feel like like brands just send so much stuff, which like, yes, I am so grateful for. I'm grateful that like they're considering me for those things, but also sometimes it does feel wasteful because I am just one person and I can't go through all of these products. Even though I appreciate the brands, I want to show you guys, I want to talk about them if I like them. What I'm trying to say is I'm gonna do another giveaway. I did one recently and I told you guys, don't be sad if you don't win because I'm gonna do another one soon, but this time I'm going to have 3 winners and I'm just gonna pack bags or like a box full of stuff for each of you. It's just gonna be like makeup, hair, skincare, that kind of stuff, all brand new stuff. So comment down below, comment your Instagram handle so that I can DM you if you win and get like a shipping address and get it all sent out to you and stuff. Also like this video, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and that's it. I cannot stress this enough. Please comment your Instagram. There were so many comments last time where I could tell that they were trying to enter the giveaway but didn't leave their Instagram, so I couldn't even like contact them. So yeah, comment to enter. I'm gonna start getting some boxes together for you guys. Brayden is here, he's knocking right now, so I will talk to you guys in a little bit. It's time to try the espresso martinis. I have these glasses. Are these martini glasses? Or are those the ones that are more like cone shaped? Or is it both?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Well, we're using these. These were like a 2-pack from the Target dollar section. And I finally get to use them. This is my first time and I've had these, I think, since Christmas last year. But we are trying the Trader Joe's espresso martini. I saw this on TikTok. This was $10. I'm really hoping it's good. Maybe I'll put some like whipped cream on it or something, because it says to serve it chilled in a martini glass and garnish with coffee beans or simply enjoy chilled. I don't have coffee beans, so it smells good. So excited. Is that a lot? I feel like this is a lot. These are pretty small glasses. It says there's 4 servings in here. That looks about right.
What's the alcohol content on that?
That's a good question. I feel like I poured maybe a little too much. Oh, 20%.
Oh.
Yeah, this might have been a lot. We can drink these very slow because I'm not gonna attempt to pour these back into this bottle. I don't know, is this not like how much? No, I guess they're usually not filled that high. These are really tiny glasses. It might look big on camera, but I swear they are very small. I'm gonna put whipped cream on mine. I don't know, I think this is gonna be good, right? Is it gonna be good to put whipped cream on it?
I couldn't even tell you.
Because I feel like they usually have like a little foam. I'm just gonna do it. Maybe that's weird, I don't know. Oh, that doesn't look right at all.
Well, you can scoop it out with a spoon.
Maybe I'll like, I was gonna say maybe I'll mix it. I don't know. That looks really gross. I kind of want to mix it in. I feel like that could be good. Okay, do you want to come try them? Ooh, ooh. Okay, well, we're gonna pour out this one. That looks disgusting. So I guess I'll pour myself a smaller portion this time. Maybe like that. That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
That is very decent.
It's strong, but it's good.
It is, yeah. Oh my god, like you can like feel it.
Like that's liquor.
Really strong.
That's liquor.
Ooh, I feel like I just took a shot. I don't like that at all.
That's the burning vodka.
Yeah,
taste.
but it's like worse than usual. I don't know if I can drink that.
It's fine.
Maybe I'll do it really slow. I need some food in my system. Now you know, $10, Trader Joe's.
Not playing.
No. Okay, so we're gonna drink these. We're gonna watch a movie. I don't know what we're watching yet. And then we're gonna finish our leftovers from earlier.